Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Propy blockchain transactions, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin configuring Propy blockchain transactions, first visit the Propy website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required personal information and verify your email address. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create New Transaction button. Select the property you wish to list on the blockchain. Fill out the necessary details including property type, location, and price. Next, upload any relevant documents, such as title deeds and legal agreements. Choose your preferred payment method for the transaction. Review the transaction summary for accuracy. Ensure all information is complete before proceeding. Click the Confirm button to initiate the transaction process. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Log back into your Propy account to track transaction progress. Monitor the blockchain for updates on the transaction status. Once completed, you will receive a final confirmation of the transaction. Congratulations, you have successfully configured your Propy blockchain transaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.